Right.
Oh, Christ. What a day for it, eh?
I got it for the next 4 days. They forecast another storm this weekend.
Well, I'm only up doing this again in Dundee tomorrow,
No.
and then I'm up in Inverness and Aberdeen next week. So as long as none of those places are getting hit by rain,
You'll be lucky. You'll be happy, yeah. I'll be here for Thursday.